All right, so today, when we're done, you should be able to identify if a number is divisible by another number. And we'll talk about what that means. Okay, divisibility, it's a vocab word, and what it means is the ability to be evenly divided without a remainder. Evenly divided, when you divide a number by another number and there's no remainder, then they're divisible. Okay, divisibility rules are what numbers divide, this should be one word, I don't know, there's a typo, without a remainder into another. Okay, so we're going to go over some. So the number 2, how do we know if 2 can divide into a number without a remainder? We know it because if they are an even number, which means the ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So for example, 48, 56, 122, 5,466. Those are all even because this ones place is even. Okay? All right, 3s. This is the one that's one of the easier ones to use, is the one we normally forget about. The sum of the digits is divisible by 3. The sum of the digits. So digits, remember, if I have 54, I add 5 plus 4 because these are each digits, and that equals 9. So 3 will go into 9 without a remainder, so it'll go into 54 without a remainder. 5, the ones digit is a 0 or 5. Right? The ones digit is a 0 or 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, counting by 5s. Notice, notice I skipped 4. That's because they're just not a great one. Divisible by 2 and 3. So 6 is divisible, if a number is divisible by 6, if it meets these two criteria up here, 2 and 3. It's even and you can add up the digits. Okay? 9. Sum of the digits is divisible by 9. So it's the same as 3. Okay, so 559. 5 plus 5. Well, that's not going to be 1. 5 plus 5 plus 9 is 19. Okay, so 9 doesn't go into 19. So it doesn't go into it without a remainder. Okay, so it would not be divisible by 9. Okay, 10. One's digit is a 0. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, let's do some examples. List the numbers 2, 3, 4. Actually, we're not going to do 4. I changed these after I made this because I don't want us to use calculators. Okay? That each number is divisible by. So 36. So let's go through our rules. 2. Is this an even number? Where is my cursor? Is this an even? There it is. Is this an even number? Yes. So it's 2. Okay, well, what about our 3? We have to add 3 plus 6, which equals 9. So yes, it's also divisible by 3. Well, what about 5? Is the ones digit 0 or 5? No. What about 6? Well, is it divisible by 2 and 3? Yes, that's an easy one because you just have to look and see if it was divisible by 2 and 3. And then we already added our digits up. 3 plus 6 is 9. Does 9 go into itself? Yes. And then 10, is the ones digit 0? No. Okay, so it seems like it's going to take a while, but it really won't. Okay, so what about 45? All right, so the ones digit, is it an even number, 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8? No, so 2 will not go into it. What about, well, what if we add 4 plus 5? That's also 9, so we know 3 will go into it. 5, yes, because it ends in a 5 or 0. 6, are 2 and 3 divisible? Then no, so there's not 6. 9, yes, because 9 goes into 9, and 10, no. Okay, so this 45 is divisible by 3, 5, and 9. All right, 110. 110. Look in the ones place. Yes, it's even. What about if we add it up? 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 0 equals 2. So no, 3 will not go into it. It ends in a 0, so 5 will. Since it's not divisible by 3, then, did I say 2 won't go into it? 3 will go into it. And then, so 6, it's not divisible by 6. 9 will not go into 2, so it's not 9. And then 0, yes. 10 goes into it. 70. We end in a 0, so it's even, yes. Well, what about 3? 7 plus 0 is 7. Does 3 go into 7? No. What about 5? Yes, it ends in a 0, so 5. 6? No, because it wasn't divisible by 3. 9 does not go into 7, and it ends in a 0, so 10. Okay, so you can go through these pretty quickly. Is it even? Yes. Well, what's 8 plus 8? Oops. 16. Does 3 go into 16? No. It goes into 15. Okay, well, what about 5? No. What about 6? No, because 3 didn't go into it. What about 9? 9 does not go into 16 either. What about 10? So the only one that'll go into this out of our list is 2, because we're just working on our rules. Okay. Okay, last one, 123. We look in the end. Okay, is it even? No. Well, what about if we add it up? 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. So yes, 3 will go into it because 3 goes into 6. 5, no. 6, no. 9, no, because 9 does not go into 6. And 10, no. So it'd just be 3. Okay? So always look back on your rules. Always look back.